On this episode of This News, coughing. People are still coughing publicly without covering their cough. We are in the middle of a pandemic. You need to cover your cough. I was just at a store today and somebody was coughing without covering. Nothing is annoying and now even threatening more than someone who doesn't cover their cough. Please cover your cough. Even when I was out in my private life, as here.
So I'm at the laundromat and I'm wearing a mask because somebody was in there coughing, and I brought a mask because I thought there'd be somebody in there coughing. There's always somebody at the laundromat coughing. But with a pandemic going on, yeah, I felt I should bring a mask because I knew whoever's in there coughing probably wouldn't have one and certainly wouldn't be covering their cough.
As you can see, this is an issue everywhere, so please cover your cough. This news.
Move your legs, shake your butt, let them make you feel good. Hear the music, feel the boom. Feel the boom. She's good to you. Feel the boom. She's good to you. Feel the boom. She's good to you.